Hi guys, I am actually rushing out, but I am taking you guys with me to a scavenger hunt. Miles Guide is going to have a celebration of their 3rd anniversary. So hi guys again. I'm on my way to meet with Nella and Vanessa, and we are a team. So stay tuned because it's gonna get crazy. I can feel it. My friend, I haven't seen you in years. Like, what is happening? Where is Nella? Nella's where happening. Aww. We've been refreshing her page and there's nothing.
Listen,
Sarah.
Anxiety can kill Sarah. Sarah, please tell me what is going on.
Hello everyone, your first clue is finally posted. Meet us here.
So the first stop is Hope Gardens. We saw where Sarah took a picture for Hope Gardens. Well, the Hope Gardens sign, so hopefully yeah. So we're waiting outside Hope Gardens because I don't know what's happening, but
Always traffic.
So how come that man don't?
He probably needs to go somewhere.
I hope this is not a real thing.
See,
Why does she have to write?
Yep, those people got the clue and they're leaving.
Yeah. Hi, good morning.
Oh
my god, there's so many people over there.
Cool.
Look at them running. I ain't running for anything.
Hi, Annie.
Hi. Of course, girl. You should at least run. Yeah,
I can't run.
I'm not running.
I'm
not running. Okay, guys, we are almost at the Hope Garden side. Yeah, quite a bit of people just ran off and left us. Sarah! Listen!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! First, I know, right? Aww. So the first clue is no, and we're gonna go. Guys, come! Bye! Come, friend, come. No team left behind. So the first clue is something about rum and chapels. So I think it's Huey Chapel. So let's go. I got the clue and left. We're behind.
We're like 6 groups behind.
Yeah,
but a whole lot of people gone in front of you guys.
Thanks, Dad. You're not helping. You're really not helping.
What was the time? Post the selfie and tag.
Miles Guide.
So, what is so excited about this thing?
It's a scavenger hunt.
Yeah, so what is the prize?
That is scavenger hunt. No time to waste.
I know.
Oh my god.
See, remember the guy?
The Asian
Yeah,
guy.
I told you.
Oh my. Well, at least we know that we're there then.
Where's the clue?
Oh my, that tree over there.
Oh.
That tree. There are like 17 trees.
I know, right?
Next clue is right.
I think it's the thing.
Okay.
Capture.
Okay.
That was gonna happen.
We better be. Oh. Sorry. Okay.
So,
Champion.
where did I post?
Hi guys.
Hi.
How you feeling?
I'm okay.
Look at us. The yellow didn't work. That's cute. Okay guys, we're on the way to Campion. guys. Wear your mask, remember. So I'm lucky just waiting for somebody to take a picture. Thank you. Hi. Sorry, guys. Okay. The next stop is Emancipation Park. So, holy hell. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Do you have to stay where? Like, because I see where it said treaty of some C word.
Shagaramas.
Yeah.
Shagaramas is in Trinidad.
Let's go. Okay. Sorry, Nella.
Well,
What's the question? Yeah, I know. See, look.
So she have on a blouse,
Yeah, but this is a blouse.
Yeah, but if you get a t-shirt,
I cannot. Listen. Well, I don't have a blouse. So...
And then like some I demand me a bone if you put on proper clothes. Or is my hall. She see you.
If
I should send anybody to you, you talk to her. You talk
yes,
to her.
I will. Jesus Christ. Never in my life. I was trying to get in, that's why it took me so long to get in.
no.
What's happening?
We have to do the blinding lights challenge.
What? What is the blind?
Oh my God, these people. Okay.
One, two.
Do that again. I never all need to sit into this. We're just
Okay. Let's do
right. Oh, my foot is not in there.
Listen!
So pay attention. Ready?
Okay, we got this guys. Have fun, guys. It's you should see the video. Woo! What is easy? You guys can do it. Come, don't stop here.
Second to last.
Here.
It's the
Okay,
second to last.
come, let's go. Let's go. We have driving.
I'm doing that too.
Good luck, guys. Bye. Okay, guys. We are on our way to the, was it fourth stop? I think it's fourth. I don't even know. So we are on our way to, where are we going? Kyle. The Herb House.
Yeah.
Oh, you see how I'm sweating? Not even joking. How you doing, guys? Tired.
Hold on.
Yes.
Nella wasn't in the shot.
Don't play with me. She was.
Figure it out.
All I know is that I'm not doing that thing over. So
You have the video though, Lexi, right?
not of all of us.
into.
Thank you, kind
Over there
sir.
on the back.
Yeah, sit down there. I see people around the back.
Move
They
bird.
look like.
You might see the two ladies up there, so.
Oh, nice. Okay. So we are at. How do you even get up there? Just jump down. You can do it. So it's somewhere in this plane is the next clue.
Oh, you can't help. Thanks.
Hi.
You can't help. You can't help us
Hi.
right now. Thank you.
We're okay, thanks. Which? Hi. Sorry. Hi. So what's happening is that we're doing a scavenger hunt. Then they took us to come and visit this plane. So we're just going to take a picture if that's okay. And then
Who bring you for examine plane, look on the plane?
no, we're not examining the plane. We're just taking a picture as part of a scavenger hunt. Just take a picture and then we'll be out of your hair.
Alright, yeah, but the picture taking at the plane prohibited. The boss said nobody take picture of the plane, now nobody going there until him said. Nobody come. You are the third one from morning, and I don't want to get rude and naughty.
I know.
You are the
I'm
first
so
one really
sorry.
come here. It's about 2 minutes. So you are the first one come here and say something. Everybody
I'm
just
so
come
sorry.
out with talk. Them snore
Yeah,
come out of me out.
I
Don't worry
totally
nobody.
understand. I totally understand. And I'm so sorry. Have a great day and don't let nobody upset you,
See
okay?
if you want.
Yeah. Take care, friend.
Yeah.
Take care.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much.
She got permission for all of these places. So him just wants somebody to talk to.
So we're now heading to Devon House.
For all pop-up prizes, if they're not claimed within 15 minutes, they'll go to the 4th place prize winner. So make sure to get here and good luck. Hope you guys are having fun.
Thank you. Hello. So. I know, right? But like, let me just help you. You found it?
Yeah. Wait a 15-second reggae, dancehall or soca song dedicated to your favorite ice cream flavor. Your team captain should carry the beat and the rest of the team members must perform the song.
So Lexi, I think you're...
That sounded so wrong.
It is so awesome. Give me a prayer, Lee. Give me a prayer. Oh, soca, right? I don't know what that's soca.
Anything you start with, it don't matter.
Cookies and cream.
No prep.
Coming closer to each other.
Oh, pistachio. What are we doing?
I don't know.
Anyway, it can be pralines and cream. Go ahead, start.
I don't know what that's
Okay, let's do cookies and cream.
Give me a prayer and cream. So, cookies and cream. Give me your cookies and cream. Give me your cookies and cream. Give me your cookies and cream. All that is 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. Hey, cookies and cream. Cookies and cream. Cookies and cream. Cookies and cream.
Jesus, please. Never knew cookies and cream could sound so good. Jeez. Okay.
Embarrassing
Wait,
myself.
that's right. Some people have Instagram. It's like, thank you. Huh? A scavenger hunt. Trying being the operative word. Heading to the next clue, which is, and I just said something. I think it's all close. Listen. Yeah, it's true. I know, right? Not too far from where?
The clock tower.
Well, she's trying to give us a cultural education.
I know,
right?
clearly. For me? Go in this lane and just go straight down.
It's true, I would have stopped because it's a good thing we have Vanessa.
No place! No place! Okay, guys, we are going to put on masks. Hello. We've been here. We're still in the running, guys. We're still in the running. Is that half?
Yeah, team captains, take a picture of your team posting on the stunning curved staircase. Remember to wear a mask. Okay, so we just need to take a picture. What's it?
So what we need to take a picture on the staircase?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. So we just have to take a picture here. So I think we are in the lead. Like they said, we're only halfway and
I know, right?
I am very tired.
Don't be
Sarah.
discouraged, though. Girl, you have us running around Kingston like Jano.
I actually took out my phone.
The theatre. Your next challenge is located at the theatre turned cinema. That is New Kingston.
What?
See there in the background? Yeah. Or no, we're going to turn.
No, it's in the old.
Yeah, that road. That's the road we're going on. But
Just this shows them never want to let you through.
wait. Pause. Sit here. Pull over. Pull over, please.
It's right there. Ooh, sorry. Okay, guys, come.
I'm Puma, you know they're walking and
Or we could just say, Akuna Matata.
yeah, a what a wonderful phrase. Akuna Matata, and then somebody else sing ain't no passing phrase, and then somebody means no worries.
Yes! We got it! Okay, come. Come on. I don't know how to start it.
Okay, so we're just gonna be like, so we'll go. Alright,
You remember them supposed to hear you?
Yeah. Akuna Matata.
What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata.
Ain't no passing phrase.
It means no worries
For the rest of your days, it's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna.
Hakuna Matata. Hakuna.
What?
Okay.
What was the next clue? We'll make a great team, guys. Listen, you hear that harmony? Vanessa just wins all the prizes. Oh, Jesus.
I said it this.
I feel like calling Sarah and be like, girl, when is going on?
What is going on?
What is going on?
What is going on?
I'm like,
I'm a bit stressed.
I'm a bit unable.
They like workout and weird things. Like, I don't know what she have us doing.
I wonder where everybody else reach.
Listen. I feel like they might have broke off.
Yeah, they might.
Jesus, please, no. Oh my God.
Take a photo with team home of your friend at Shannon and Tees. All team must be in the photo. I must select different tees. Alright, so we can choose in the meantime.
Hi. How many people come so far? Okay.
I'm not looking at that. So.
Yeah.
But she needs to come where she can. Pick icons. Oh, this is near my house. This is my statue.
Bye.
The brown car, she's just not moving fast enough.
Ashley.
Oh my God.
Is there another Ashley? Y'all have the same name.
Let's go.
Come, hurry up. Hi. Three shirts. Get 3 shirts.
Come.
Oh, yes. Hi. Thank you so much. Bye. Sorry. Who's on that? Some guys. Okay. Alright.
Them just read.
I am so tired at this point.
Where's the clue? Where's the clue? Oh. You don't know.
Sure. Thank you. Down. Okay, go.
Alright.
Go.
So ready?
Yeah.
No woman, no cry. Hear them singing, no woman, no cry. Dun, dun, dun.
Alright, let's go. Come now, do your thing.
You know, I would low-key go that way.
Green wall is like peeking out from the side. It's down there, so we're going.
No, it's closed. It's closed. Hi.
Okay, then this one. That one.
Now I can find the code and then with that one.
Where's the
It's right there by the pole.
where's the pole?
By the pole.
It says, take your final team picture in front of your favorite mural on water lane. Then use the drawing tool on your story to recreate it to the best of your ability. Favorite mural? Can somebody take a photo for us, please? No?
Jesus Christ.
Seriously?
This tree?
Yeah. Can you take a photo for us? Thank you.
Thank you so much.
That's right here. Just hold it right here.
How is this going?
You're supposed to hold. You're supposed to turn like.
This is good.
Go on.
Alright.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
That's our teammates.
Okay.
Alright. Maybe the crew again. Find a thing in front of frame or what. Then use the drawing tool on your story to recreate it to the best of your ability. Okay.
Look at the bottom part, next clue part.
Crew friend. Oh.
Sir, this person really stopping in the middle of the road.
So we're going to our final destination, which is the train station. I'm always sweating each time I come to this place. Guys, seriously, where are we going for lunch? Because your girl's hungry, like dying.
And this thing is
Oh, welcome back.
Hi.
Hi. Jesus Christ. How are you?
I'm okay. Under the struggles, the stress. But
I know,
I'm
right?
surviving.
I know, right? We are literally
I
dying.
won't get over this, yeah?
Oh my God. Van,
Yeah.
how are you?
I'm alright. I'm trying to direct and draw at the same time.
Alright. Just tell me which
So-
because
I would have beat. So I couldn't even stop at the last part too tough because there was a group right on our tails. Like as soon as they saw us take the picture on the pole, they stopped rough in the middle of the road and jumped out. So we're on our way to the final stop, hopefully. Hopefully we're still in the lane. I'm going to don't want nobody. Oh Jesus. Drive like the wind. Hopefully that's them. No!
Did you guys have fun?
Oh my God!
You had fun?
Yes.
Okay, I have a surprise for you guys.
Yeah, we got a surprise.
So we weren't able to do a lot of pop-up prizes because everyone was moving too damn quick.
Listen, by the time we were supposed to check your story, we're just like, well, we just passed Ragamuffin like 10 years ago.
Here's a little thought from 2 swipes packs, 2 Muckle thrift totes, including this one, some goodies from Pepper Tree, gift certificate from Chadad, and a liquid washer or whatever for you. I don't know the proper word, I don't know nothing about cars, and little bits. So hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you.
I don't know the proper word yet. Let me see what it's called before I have nothing.
Windshield wiper. Is that
Convenient.
You always need this. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.
Thank you.
I hope you guys had fun though.
Yes.
We did. Yeah.
Oh,
What was your favorite spot that you went to?
all of them really, cause some.
Yeah, and we were just discovering places. Honestly.
Yeah.
Like Oakton House, and I even knew that
Listen,
You guys are in spaces.
I'm so stressed out.
Guys, I keep on forgetting we have ice cream though.
Yay!
And they're by Debs.
Oh yes.
Bettina not used to
The
this.
video. Girl, this was great. Oh, she did it again. You should do it
Listen,
again.
guys, I want to do this again. I want to do it island wide.
Come on.
Hello.
No,
This isn't the first and last time this is gonna happen. Yes.
I love it.
Blogger link up. I'm so glad you guys had fun.
Thank you for having this.
Next
and dragging
time, you
people
guys
out.
coming first.
Yes, girl.
And I hope you enjoyed the fourth place prize.
Thank you.
We had a lot of taxi behavior.
All right. Hi guys.
Hi.
So we came in fourth. Like to the point where we were neck and neck with other people, and they came in like what 2 seconds or so after us, and they were just like, and then Sarah was like, "Oh, you're fifth
place.
So I was just like, wow, look at us getting fourth place after all this bagger.
A lot of taximan behavior.
Yes, and listen, the amount of foolishness that happened. The man at Kaya.
Wanted to fight us.
Yes, and then the security guard that didn't want to let me into E-Park. All sorts of foolishness. Guys, we had fun. We had fun.
Definitely.
Yeah, it was well
Would
thought
recommend
out.
it.
Would recommend. It was well thought out, and you know, will we do this again? Probably, yes.
Future recommendations.
With
Bring snacks.
like you're going on a road trip, bring snacks and get ready for that.
Water
Yeah.
and sneakers.
And sneakers. Yeah.
Yeah. Do some cardio from the month before. Be prepared to run.
Yes, be prepared to run.
With the proper
Because
bra.
most of the times we were like walking because we were just like, nah. When we get there, we get there.
Be prepared to run.
But guys, yeah, we're gonna go get lunch now.
Yeah.
They're already eating their ice cream. I think Niall already knows.
It's
But
melting.
we're gonna get lunch now and hope you enjoyed.
Like, share, subscribe. All of those things for all of us. Follow our channels.
Yes.
You'll see we put the
In whichever video this ends up in.
all of the videos, so all of our people can see it.